What's up, guys? It's Grant from Motorsports, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Type R subframe brace, front subframe brace, on a 10th gen. Now this is a 2017 Civic Si. This should also work for the sedan. This is a coupe, and for the hatchback. So let's get started. So here's the part numbers for the subframe brace. And these are the part numbers. These are the same part number for the screws. I'll put the numbers in the I'll put the part numbers, I can't speak today. Put the part numbers in the description below. So the subframe brace goes about here and here, so we need to take this plastic cover off. There's a 10 mil bolt right here that you need to get off, and then also take out the little plastic clips. So there's this. There's a plastic clip on this side that I have out. I need to get the other side, and then a couple screws down there as well. So here is where the one nut's going, the one bolt, and there's where the other bolt's going. Without pulling this all the way off, the best way is to kind of work through the hole, as you can see. So let's get the subframe bar on. Alright, so I got it on. As you can see, it sticks up like so into there, and you're gonna want it to face like a smile, like it's smiling at you. So I'm gonna get these tightened up, and we're back. All right, we got it all in. As you can see, I torqued it down to 69 foot-pounds. I'm not 100% sure that's what it's supposed to be at, but that's what I torqued my motor mount down to. So I'm imagining that's what I'm torquing that down to. So get this all put back up and check it out. Thanks for watching the install video on the front subframe brace. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out. I am Grant from Motorsports, and come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.